Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my non-emergency medical transportation business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we will zip through the non-emergency medical transportation business plan template. I'll show you the structure, the style, the writing content, the quality and quantity of information. And then if you like what you see, I will go ahead and provide y'all with a link to purchase the template. And then finally, once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the non-emergency medical transport or non-emergency medical transportation business plan template. So if and when you do purchase the template, it does come with this Word document as well as an Excel file, which is the financial model, and that is covered in a separate video. So when you open the Word document for the non-emergency medical transport business plan template, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they'll highlight this information right here, they'll delete it, and then they'll go ahead and move business plan down a little bit further. And then right here, they'll go ahead and insert their company logo. The next page is going to be a table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, add more information, you update this with your information, make it yours. Come over to the table of contents, click on it, click on update the table, click on update entire table, click OK. And then all of your headings as well as your page numbers will update accordingly. Your next page is your executive summary section. In the executive summary, I did give you a really good starting point for the ride sharing, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. Now keep in mind, anywhere you see yellow, I recommend you go ahead and read that information. Make sure it pertains to your business. You do offer it. Anywhere where the words are in parentheses, like right here, make sure to put your information in there. For example, your company name, your personal name right here, and so on. The executive summary section also includes your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? And that kind of wraps up the first section. Your next section is going to be your company description. In the company description, it does start off with your ride sharing summary, which is going to be right here. It has a place for you to describe your non-medical transportation services. And then I do give you a really good starting point for your competitive advantages, your primary target market, your pricing strategy, your hours of operation, location section, and then business objectives and timeline. Your next section is going to be the industry analysis for the non-emergency medical transport. I do use industry research from the ride-sharing industry. That is the closest industry that I was able to find. Non-emergency medical transportations is a relatively small subset of the ride-sharing industry. So that's why I chose the ride-sharing industry research. I do get my research right here from IBIS World. IBIS World is, in my opinion, is an industry leader in industry research. Next section is going to be just a product and services segmentation. And then from there, we've got our SWOT analysis, our strengths, our weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And in this section right here, when you do want to update the smart art, just click on it, go over here to this little arrow right here, and then you'll just update the wording accordingly to best fit your non-emergency medical transportation services. Next section is going to be our organizational structure. In the organizational structure, it's broken into two segments, the ownership segment and the organizational chart. Again, anywhere in yellow, put your information. And then right here for the organizational chart, you can update this accordingly just by clicking this little arrow. And again, putting your information in there to best describe your business. On page 10, you're going to have your marketing section. In the marketing section, you're going to have your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Again, real good starting points for each marketing channel. Now we're going to have a funding request. In the funding request, you're going to put how much money you need to get the party started right here, and the terms and interest rates that you expect in the subsequent areas. And then the final section is our financial projections. In the financial model, it does come with a profit and loss for the first 1 year, and that's broken up monthly as well as quarterly for 12 months. And then I also include an income statement. In the income statement, it gives you projections for the next 5 years, and it breaks down your revenues, your expenses, and your net income again for the next 5 years. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.